Hello, and welcome to another How Do I video in Waypoint Global's How Do I series. Today we will discuss and show how to perform a SQL database backup by hand. This video is intended for those in IT. Many customers have automatic software that backs up their database for them on a time basis, but for those that don't, we want to be able to show you how so that your company will not lose their database information, at least for our software, in case something were to happen. We will demonstrate how to do this with a test implementation of our software. You will need to log on to the server that our software's database resides. If you do not have a server in which our software is located, it will be the workstation that has the software installed. Make sure to log on as a domain administrator. Find Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Most oftentimes it will be version 2012. Log into the software. It will either be Windows Authentication or SQL Authentication, which would use a system admin login and password. We're using Windows Authentication in our example. Connect to the server and locate the database. Right-click and select Task, and then select Backup. A dialog will appear. Make sure the name of your backup file is correct, and then go to the Options page. On the Overwrite Media section, click the radio button Overwrite all existing backup sets, so that it will create a new version of the backup. Go back to the General tab, and in the Destination tab, make sure the radio button is set to Disk, and then click Add. The Select Backup Destination dialog appears. Browse out to the desired location for the backup file and click OK. Click OK again, and the backup will happen in a blink of an eye. When complete, it will say it has been successful. That's all there is to it. That's the basics of how to perform a SQL database by hand. Thank you for joining us today. Please tune in again to view more of our How Do I series.
If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you need to talk to a member of tech support, please use the information on the screen to reach us. We are available via email and phone Monday through Friday. We will help you with whatever you need.